Okay, guys, I'm gonna make this really quick because I've been hacking up a lung for like 5 minutes now. I'm really sick, so I'm really sorry if I sound so shitty. And I did some looks tonight, so I do think I have makeup residue on my face. Please don't mind that. I'm gonna continue with 10 Looks, 1 Palette, the Festival Palette by JUVIA'S Place. I wanted to give a rundown of this. This gold is really pretty. This turquoise is pretty, but when you blend it out, it becomes patchy, my opinion. This black has shimmer in it, and I prefer my blacks non-shimmery. It's got like a sheen to it almost, and so therefore when you blend it out or anything, it becomes like asphalt almost. So I'm not a fan of that color. This color was pretty. I used this color on my lid and I didn't think I would like it because it's like a mustard color. But I did this color on the lid, this on the other side of the lid, and it looked really pretty. So I like these two colors. This pink is pretty good. The orange is pretty good. This white up here, Yuli, I really like that, but I found when I put the product on, it like sprayed, whatever. Like if I put it here and then blended it a bit, the pigment would end up over here. I'm not sure why that is, but I just didn't feel like the sparkle really clung to the P. Louise makeup base, and I haven't had a problem with that since using it yet. And this red is okay. All in all, I do like this palette. I just think this is an additional palette. I don't think this is a palette that you're truly going to get a lot of use out of. I know I've just done 10 looks, but please keep in mind that I was scrounging to get these looks. I'm not a fan of the orange crease and another color on the lid. I prefer a brown crease, like a neutral brown or a cool brown crease. I don't prefer like the orange crease look with like the blue under the eye. Do you know that what I'm talking? I'm like the really warm eye with the blue under it. I think that's like juxtaposed. I don't like that. So I think this is an additional palette. I think if you have a palette that you want to, you're like, oh, I wish there was like one more color, or oh, I wish there was like more looks I could do with this. I think if you added this to like maybe the Zulu, or what was the other one I did? The Masquerade, I think it'd be a nice addition to those palettes, but I don't recommend this being your first purchase from JUVIA'S Place. Once again, my opinion, if you feel like you will get a lot of use out of these shadows and you like the orange in the crease and maybe you like some of the looks that I did, you want to do it, go for it. But I just personally prefer this as an additional palette. But I do think there is some really pretty colors in here, and I think that you can get some use out of it. Other than that, I want to thank you guys again for watching. I'm going to be continuing with leaving the photos on for longer, so I leave them on for 7 seconds now, I believe. I used to leave them on for 5, and someone said just leave them on for like 2 seconds more, so I'm gonna do that. I covered this in the last video I did, but I will not be doing music in it anymore because I did get a copyright strike and I was really upset about that. But other than that, oh, and once again, I edit around my eye because I do not use foundation or anything with these looks. I just do the eye, but please do keep in mind I do not edit pretty much this portion. I don't edit the under eye, the eyebrow, anything like that, because if I did edit that, I would be editing out some of these hairs over here that are a little stray. So anyway, I really hope you guys like it. I'm sorry for rambling on. I'm going to get right into it. Have a great day. Bye. I'ma get you on, I'ma get so gone. I'ma wake up in the morning with the wrong panties on. I'm an exhibitionist, get you twitching in this bitch. You gon' get a taste of candy like you licking licorice. We ain't doing nothing small, real biggie, cause we party and bullshit. It's all we know really, cause tonight shake you fly, say I'm freaky and bossy. This bottle is costly and it's just for the posse. Well, cause I'm rapping to women, I get the corn and I spin it. You roll the split and we split it. I take a hit and I feel it. I take a pic and I tweet it. I know a lot of you get it. And on the wall where you sit and I been you on for a minute. And I lick my lips. What you getting at your seat? Turn the twist in your hips, cause it's mustard on the beat. It's the fag mob overhaul remix. Make a hot money like it's no choice. I'ma send the invoice.